Ooh, it's cold in here. Okay, today I'm gonna cut the plywood, I think, right away so I don't get the frame all dirty. And then I'm going to undercoat the whole frame, paint that all up. And then maybe I'll get on the polyurethane, the plywood after that. It's cold out here. So, should hopefully get a bunch done today. I gotta still clean out some of this rust and paint and take the axles off. So, we'll see. First coat of the undercoating is on, or bed liner, whatever you call it. Got in all these little seams or whatever, channels and all that. And so, waiting for the first coat to dry now, and then about an hour, probably 2 or 3 hours, put the second coat on. I gotta go get another paint tray, because I only have one, and then I might start on the sealing of the wood. So that'll be next then. So the frame has been sitting for about 2 hours and it's not even close to dry because it's 40 degrees in here. So I'm just gonna put some of this spar urethane on to one side of these pieces of plywood. I'm gonna do these two, and then I'll do one of the big ones and let it dry, and then I don't know, that might be about it. Well, still waiting for it's kind of dry on this urethane stuff. Trailer is pretty dry. It's still just a hair tacky, but I'm gonna put the second coat on there, I think. And then these are fairly dry. This is kind of dry, so I'm gonna put this on the ground and then do the other piece, half of that one. Hopefully I get that all done, and then we can start making the floor actually, and then do the outside, like the bottom of this side, whenever it's put together, the floor, if that made any sense. Okay, 2 coats of undercoating on here. Frame should be all good to go. Looks pretty nice, I think. And then we got, these are part of the floors. Those are spar urethane on one side, will be the inside. Tops and the bottoms are going to go over with another one, another coat, or another layer. And then this is one that I did, and then this one I just had enough to finish it up. So that's my Saturday work. Got quite a bit done, I think. Probably spend 4 hours out here. And then next we got axles in, which I might need different U-bolts for. So I have to order those. And then probably start putting the floor together pretty soon too. Once I get the next, well, once this stuff all dries, I think it has to take 24 hours, so see how that works out. Yep. Alright, I'll do it.